Nurse Jones, start the IV of D5W at 50 ml per hour. Give ampicillin 1 gram in 50 ml over 1 hour every 8 hours. Start at 8 a.m. then give a 4 p.m. dose. Give gentamicin 600 mg in 65 ml over an hour twice a day. Start it at 2 p.m. Give 1 unit of packed red blood cells, which is a total of 500 ml over 2 hours. You will need to stop the main IV to infuse the IV piggybacks. Start an NG tube feeding at 30 ml per hour. Give Protonix 40 mg per NG tube in 30 ml water at 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Start the patient on Metamucil 100 ml NG twice a day at 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Flush the NG tube with 30 ml every 2 hours to keep the NG tube patent.
Okay. Do you want a urinary catheter inserted?
Yes, measure the intake and output very carefully.
I am the nurse caring for Mr. Smith. He has tolerated his NG tube feedings. His residuals are only 30 milliliters. His urine output for the 12-hour shift was the following. At 8 a.m. he put out 103 milliliters. At 10 a.m. he put out 140 milliliters. At 12 p.m. he put out 80 milliliters. At 2 p.m. he put out 160 milliliters. At 4 p.m. he put out 200 milliliters. At 6 p.m. he put out 180 milliliters. He also had 300 milliliters of liquid stool. His JP train put out 40 milliliters.
So what is the total for the intake? What is the total for the output? Is the patient positive or negative? If I told you this patient weighed 98 kilograms yesterday, how much does he weigh today?